Hey, good morning, y'all. I hope your weekend went well. I got a little bit too much sun this weekend, but it sure was a beautiful weekend. We have a very big week this week. And so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what's going on, the midterm review, the quizzes, the homework, the midterm exam. Got a lot of details I wanted to work out with you on that. So instead of sending a really long email, I thought, might as well just do a video. So let me share my screen and let's just go straight to the calendar. All right, so let's see. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to pull up the calendar. All right, so let's take a look. All right, so last night the homework assignments for 2-7 and 3-1 were due in WebAssign. I haven't even checked that, but many of you are just right on track with that. If you're running a little bit behind on the assignments, you can always go to your past assignments in WebAssign and ask for an extension or request an extension, and you'll get an automatic extension to complete any assignment that the due date has passed. So that was due last night. This week, you're going to be working on section 3.2 and 3.3. And I uploaded those videos in Blackboard last night. So you've got the videos available to you for those two sections. Actually, I'll pull that up in a minute. So that's what you'll be working on. And you'll wrap those up on Wednesday with the homework assignment being due on that day. So the homework assignments for 3.2 and 3.3 are due at midnight on Wednesday. And the quiz 3, is due Thursday at midnight. Now, quiz 3 covers a little more material than the previous quizzes. It actually covers 4 sections, 2-7, 3-1, 3-2, and 3-3. Now, remember, if you are not happy with your grade on your first attempt at your quiz, you can always take your second chance. But if you're happy with your score on your first attempt, then leave it. You don't need to take your second chance. I will always just record your highest score on your chances on your quizzes. So quiz 3 is due Thursday. And also on Thursday, I will be doing 2 Zoom meetings, one at 10 a.m. and then one again at 7 p.m., 2-hour stints each. And I'll be doing basically a review for the midterm exam. What you'll notice in WebAssign is that there is a midterm exam review. Yeah, I'll move me right here. There's a midterm review in WebAssign that is going to be your best chances of success on the midterm exam. And the way I have this set up is you can't access the midterm exam until you've scored at least 70% on the review. So that review is very important to complete, and complete as many times as necessary until you're confident and fluid with the material. So the midterm exam is going to open on Friday, and you have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to complete that test. You only have one chance, and it's timed. You get an hour, not an hour, you get 2 hours and 20 minutes for the midterm exam. It comes straight from the midterm review. So if you complete the midterm review with 100% and you're confident with that material, you'll do really well on the midterm exam. So how are you going to prepare for the midterm exam? I would first rework maybe the problems, the examples in my note sheets, maybe rework my quizzes, but for sure, complete this midterm review until you are confident and fluent with the material. Also, I have a note that you should follow the UALR's Code of Ethics when testing. That means it must be you taking your exam. I will allow you to use your notes, your note sheets, those types of resources you can use while taking your test, but there must be no cheating. So use your notes, use your resources, use your note sheets when taking that test. All right, what else did I have on my list? I think that's all I had on my list, but what I want to do is I want to share Blackboard because I want to show you something I put in there. So let me stop that and let me share a different screen. So let me go to, maybe it's here, and there we go. So in Blackboard, in your lecture videos, in the lecture videos, here for chapter 3, I've posted the videos for 3.2 and 3.3, and I also posted an explanation on problem number 14 in 3.3. That one has some interesting instructions, and you may have some issues in working through that one, so I thought, you know what, I would post a video on how to work through that problem in case you have trouble with it. But at any time, if you have trouble, or if you have questions on any of the homework assignments or any of the materials from the lecture videos, please email me. I am so happy to help you. Your success is really important to me. Okay, so we've got that for 3.3. You've got your videos. 3.2, we've got the videos. What else am I missing? I can't think of it right now. But if you've got questions on anything, I know you'll let me know, and I will get to your email as soon as possible. Well, I think that's all for this week. It's a busy week. You got a lot going on. I hope that you can manage your time and get everything done and get prepared for the midterm exam. I did mention that you need to make 70% on the review before the exam will open. Wow, feels like there's something else. But if I remember what it is that I forgot, I'll probably send that in a quick email. So I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.